Hello, my name is Andy Brown. I'm the Warning Coordination Meteorologist for the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Spokane, Washington. This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week in the Pacific Northwest. Today, the focus is on strong winds, large hail, and lightning. In the Pacific Northwest, thunderstorms often will produce damaging straight-line winds. The winds are a result of rain-cooled air high inside a thunderstorm that rush downward and accelerate as it reaches the ground. The cool air fans out and can impact a large area. This process, in extreme cases, can cause winds to reach 100 miles per hour or greater. These downbursts of air can be very hazardous and even life-threatening. When winds exceed 50 miles per hour, trees can be uprooted, snap off large branches, and damage roofs. Outbuildings like sheds or barns are very susceptible to damage from strong winds. Debris that is picked up from the strong winds becomes swift-moving airborne projectiles that can injure or even kill. Across the interior, dust storms are also a common hazard associated with the downburst winds. These winds can extend dozens of miles away from the thunderstorm, often reducing visibility to near zero within seconds. Hail is another significant threat from thunderstorms in the Pacific and inland Northwest. Hail forms within thunderstorms as liquid water freezes and is kept aloft by strong updrafts. The stronger the updraft, the longer the hail will be suspended and continue to grow. When the hail becomes too heavy to be suspended by the updraft, it will fall to the ground. Hail can vary in size from pea size, or about 3/8 of an inch in diameter, to larger than grapefruit, nearly 5 inches in diameter. In the Pacific and inland Northwest, hailstones up to 3 inches, or about the size of a baseball, have been reported. Large hail can easily damage vehicles and buildings, and can be life-threatening to animals and people. They can also produce tremendous damage to crops, either as large hailstones or as a concentrated fall of small hailstones that accumulate to a depth of several inches. Lightning is one of the least talked about thunderstorm hazard, but it's also one of the most deadly. An average of 54 people are killed by lightning each year in the U.S., and hundreds of others are injured. Many lightning victims are struck not at the height of a thunderstorm, but before or after the peak. Lightning can strike up to 10 miles from a thunderstorm, and you can typically hear thunder about 10 miles away, so if you hear thunder, you are likely within striking distance of the storm. Just remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Too many people wait far too long to get to a safe place when thunderstorms approach. Unfortunately, these delayed actions lead to many of the lightning deaths and injuries in the U.S. What can you do to protect yourself from these hazards? The best defense is to be weather aware. Find ways to get reliable and up-to-date weather forecasts, watches, and warnings. Do this by monitoring your local media or checking weather.gov for the potential of severe weather in your area. Have access to a NOAA weather radio that will alert you when severe weather is imminent. The NOAA weather radio receives continuous forecasts from your local National Weather Service Forecast Office. If a warning has been issued for your area, the receiver will alarm, alerting you to the threat. While the National Weather Service is the official source for advisories, watches, and warnings, there are numerous third-party providers available that disseminate these alerts through various media. Please visit www.weather.gov/subscribe for a comprehensive list of providers that offer online and mobile alerts. What should you do when severe weather is threatening? The best idea is to go into an interior room of a substantial structure and avoid windows. If you are waiting out a storm in a vehicle, be aware of trees that may topple over or large branches that may fall down. If you have outdoor activities scheduled and there is a threat of thunderstorms, plan an alternate activity or know where you can quickly evacuate to a safe structure. By following these precautions, it is our hope that you will stay safe this severe weather season. For more information on weather safety, please visit www.weather.gov/safety. Thank you for watching this video on the primary threat from thunderstorms: strong wind, hail, and lightning.